Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So finally we have a massive pump for the Metaverse gaming coins slash NFT coins. So at last we have seen a massive pump from Sand followed by Mana as well as AXS when we have Engine coming up. So all of these are actually NFT coins. Along with that, they are also Metaverse coins as well as gaming coins. So if you just look at the sandbox price action, if you just look here, it has been in the downtrend for quite some time now. So if you just look here, the last move it did was in March and it barely broke its all-time high. It did not even come close. As you can see here, we peaked around 80 cent, and if you look at its all-time high, which happened back in 2021 on November 20, as you can see here, November 19th, and I think that was after Meta announced their big leap into the metaverse. And if you just look at the Meta itself, it has been doing pretty good as well. As you can see, the Meta's stock has actually recovered pretty well, as you can see, after hitting a pretty low in October 2022, as you can see here. So they did peak before again on the September 21st, as you can see here. So the same thing is happening with the Sand as well as Mana. So I think as of now we are going to see more of these NFTs coins pump. So in this video, what I want to do, I wanted to go over the NFTs pump and the potential of the NFTs as well as the coins that you can actually watch and where they could be headed. So let's get started. So first of all, what is happening with NFTs? So as you can see here, we have a report from Cointelegraph that NFTs record 158 million weekly sales volume led by Ethereum and Bitcoin. So the top chains we have are the Bitcoins and Ethereum's one. And as you can see here, this data is from the Crypto Slam. We have Ethereum actually hitting over 49 million in sales. That is a massive. After that, we have Bitcoin blockchain hitting 43 million in sales. So that is another massive. As you can see here, we have a massive increase in buyers as well, around 43k on Ethereum, 44k on Bitcoin. Even the Solana has a lot of buyers. Then Ethereum and Bitcoin combined, those you can see here, 185 buyers. So that is a massive increase. And if you look at other chains, same story is there. So this massive wave is actually happening for some time. As you can see here, it all started, I think, from the US election, as you can see, from the 5th November, and it started to go up and up, and we peaked on 16th or I think 15th November, as you can see here, and as of now still it has been trading pretty good, as you can see here. And of course, we have the response from the coins afterward. As you can see, we have Sandbox going up. We even have a Philo followed by AXS, that is also another NFT game, NFT project as well. And I think if we just try to, as you can see here, the Sandbox lands are also up by a lot. Same goes with Decentraland, which is Mana coins, I think, NFT. So that is a massive one. And if we look at the NFTs global heat chart, as you can see, we have a lot of NFTs down. Of course, these are the big ones, but we do have a big ones actually coming up. So that's, I think, pretty good. So what are the some coins? Or before that, if you look at the art market itself, so the art market was actually valued at 520 million, so which is basically the global art market. I'm not talking about digital art, but still the art market is actually estimated to reach at 189 billion by 2032. And if you look at the market of NFT coins, it's around 31 billion. So let's just say that some of that from the 300 billion, we find some of the capital into the NFT coins. Let's just say that around 100 billion, and even if that happens, NFT coins are going to go parabolic. So that could actually happen. So I think that could be one of the things that you should keep in mind if you're looking for NFT coins. So as of now, if you look here, I will just go to the Metaverse coin because mostly Metaverse coins are only up. So at first we have Render, which is basically AI coin as well as Metaverse, I believe. So That is a hybrid coin, so that is also a good coin to consider if you're looking for a coin. And after that we have the big one, which is the Sandbox, which is the biggest metaverse I think, followed by Decentraland. As you can see, both of them are up, so of course both of these coins do seem pretty good. After that we have Illuvium, which is also another coin. We even have Origin Trail, which is another massive coin, and I think this coin is highly undervalued as of now, and I think this coin has a potential of at least 1 billion, and as of now we are only around 451 million, so that means we still have around 500 million to go for this coin as well. After that, why yield killed camps? I think there is some kind of tokenomics issue with this coin. Most probably we have a lot of sell pressure yet to come, so this coin may not be good for the long term. As you can see, we still have around 580 million, or around I think 600 million supply to go, so that may not be good. After that we have another interesting coin, which is CHR, which is also interesting, followed by we have my neighborhood LS, which is also another coin. We also have Wild, which is another interesting coin, but I think there is again we have around 150 million supply to go, but I don't think that is going to increase that much sell pressure. But this coin is another interesting coin, but it has a limited listing. And another coin which is very interesting is actually PYR, or Vulcan Forged, which is also another interesting coin, and I think they also have their own blockchain, which is a very interesting thing for this coin, as you can see here. After that we have another undervalued coin, I think, which is Awagochi, which I have actually covered a lot of times, and I think this coin is also available on Base, and they are also building their layer 3 chain. And as you can see here, it does have a supply. The supply is controlled basically. It is not deflationary, neither it's inflationary, so the supply is going to remain around 52 million, so that's I think pretty good for this coin. And it is also available on Bear, so that's I think pretty good one. So this coin has seen a massive rally before, so we will most likely see another rally from this coin. That is a possibility if we have some kind of news from their layer 3 chain. So it is also one of the if you just look here, if you just go to the layer 3 chains, there are only some of them, and Awagochi is in one of them, so I think that's pretty interesting for Awagochi. After that, I think let's just try to see what the Sand is going to do, because this is a very interesting coin at this point. So it has basically just recovered from I think its previous high, which was in March 2024, and it is about to hit that level soon. So as of now, I think we actually need to maintain this pump, and it seems like this pump is going to be maintained, because at first I think we had a lot of buyers, though those buyers that bought around 22 cents, and I think most of them could have I think sold here, and as of now again we have a new buyer in the market, and it seems like we still have a lot of interest in this coin. And if we look at the volume, let's just try to see where the volume is actually coming from. So most of the volume is actually coming from Upbeat, followed by Binance, as you can see here. After that we have Whitebit. Still these two exchanges have a lot of volume, and it seems like most of the volume is coming from South Korea, I believe, KRW. So that is something I think very interesting. So that means we have some kind of metaverse wave in the Korea or something like that. Let's just try to see what is happening with okay, so we are on the decentral end of the mana. So if you just look here, again the same thing. So most of the volume is actually coming from the Korea, as you can see, from the Upbit exchange. So that's pretty interesting. So as for the Sand price action, I think the Sand is going to struggle at least once it gets around this level, which is going to be I think around 72 and 80 cent level. That is going to be another sell point that I think most of the traders will be looking at, and if we do break out from here, we will most likely go towards around 92 or even $1 is a possibility. And if it does goes down, I think we will most likely make a correction around 44 cent, or I think we can actually go as low as 40 cent. We'll most likely go up again from there. Still, if you look at the AXS Coin chart, we have a pretty good retest on the support, so I think we are going to go up with the momentum, and I think the Metaverse coins are going to lead that momentum. So anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.